king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. You a king, you know it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin, and on this video I am going to show you how I interlock my client's hair using the 4-point rotation. First thing I do is spray the hair with some water. That will prevent any breakage. Whenever I'm retightening, I always spray the hair with water. I always make sure that the parts are clean, that there's no hair in the way. And right now I'm using my crochet hook. So the rotation I'm using is 12, 9, 6, 3. And I will repeat this process until I have retightened all of her new growth. To prevent combining your locks, make sure that you isolate the area that you are working on by using a hair clip. You want to make sure that you always stop at 12 so that the locks are facing down.
Hey, good job. I'm taking care of what they need. I'm making my family money. Making my family money. Making my family money. Making my family money. Oh, I'm making my family money. Family money. Making my family money. Making my family money. Oh, I'm making my family money. I'm working real hard to make a living. Yeah, for the ones I love. I'm making my family money. I'm working 80 plus a week. I'm holding down this family. I'm taking care of what they need. I'm making my family money. Making my family money. Making my family money. Making my family money. Oh, I'm making my family money. Family money. Making my family money. Making my family money. Oh, I'm making my family money. Family money. Making my family money. Making my family money. Oh, I'm making my family money. Family money. Making my family money. Making my family money. Oh, I'm making my family money. Cars, they won't clothes, they want shoes, a smartphone plus an iPad, and an iPad mini didn't know that they made that mini need food, they need a home, they wanna buy just my songs, plus an iPad, and an iPad mini didn't know that they made that mini need cars, they want clothes, they want shoes, and a smartphone plus an iPad, and an iPad mini didn't know that they made that mini need food, they need a home, they wanna buy just my songs, and plus an iPad, and an iPad mini, now I know that they make that mini money, making my family money, making my family money.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share.